Hello everyone and welcome back to another Unreal Engine 4.5 tutorial. In this tutorial I will teach you how to play random sounds, like this.
Mana depleted. Not enough mana. Mana depleted. More mana required.
You can use this technique for anything you like, but today I will make my character say that I need more mana, so this is going to be perfect if you're making games with spells, magic, etc. As you can see, I keep spamming the button.
Insufficient mana. Mana depleted.
But there is a small pause between speech, so the voices won't overlap. Let's get started. Open the player character. Find empty space. Let's right click and type keyboard. And I'm going to assign the tab button. So when I press tab, I'm going to play the sounds. But first we need to create the sound queue. So open the content drawer, let's right click, go to sounds, and we need sound queue, and name it no mana underscore sounds. I'm going to type here sounds 2 because I have created one already. So open it up. Now you have this output node only. Now in your content drawer, find your sounds that you want to play. So I'm going to use the Paragon Muriel. I'm going to turn on the sound wave filter. And I'm going to type here low mana. So I want to play these 4 sounds randomly. So you can click and drag onto the graph. Or you can select them all 3 and click and drag onto the graph. Now you have all these nodes over here. You can click and drag the random, or you can right click and type random. So select random. So you connect this and connect the output. Now let's create 2 more inputs. Now if you click here play queue, it's going to play randomly all these.
Mana depleted. Insufficient mana.
You see, the nodes are playing randomly.
More mana required.
Okay, now this is working. You can close this down now. Now from the tab button, you can right click and type do once. And let's right click and type custom event. And let's type it reset no mana. Connect it with the reset. Now right click and type sound 2D. So we need to play sound 2D. And we need the sound queue we have just created. You can search through your content drawer, or you can type it like this. So no mana sounds. Now if you keep on pressing the tab, you're going to fire it only once. And then you have to call this custom event to call it again. Now let's do another custom event. So this is going to be 4-hour timer. So just type no mana. In every video I'm mentioning, so don't use the delay node, it's not good for optimization. You can check out my other tutorials for this. So I'm going to use custom event and timer. So from this select square, type timer, set timer by event. And we want after 2 seconds, and we always have to clear this timer. So immediately after 2 seconds, we are clearing the timer. So you don't have to drag this and to promote to variable, because you can do it right away like this. So after 2 seconds, we are going to be able to play the sound again, of course randomly. So right click and reset mana. So compile and save. Now why I have decided to set here for 2 seconds. Let's open the sound. So if you select one of these, and let's go to search it. If you hover over, you can see the duration is 1.8 seconds. So if you select this one and go to search, this one is 1.8. I think this is going to be 2 seconds. duration 2 seconds. So that's why you want to finish this sound wave and then to play the next. So that's why I have put here 2 seconds of delay. Now let's give it a go. I'm going to keep on pressing tab.
Insufficient mana. Mana depleted. Not enough mana. More mana required.
Okay, it's working good. Alright people, this is going to be it for this tutorial. Let me just show you the code one more time. So if you want to take a screenshot. I hope you find this interesting and useful. Thank you for watching as always and keep creating. See you in the next tutorial.